Hello, it's me.
Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great during this pandemic, but I am extremely bored. To kill this boredom, I raided my mother's kitchen and find this steel pot. She has been making tea in it for 20 years. She used to clean it like a mirror. We can see our faces in it. But because of her health condition, she couldn't anymore. So I asked Google, how come can I clean it? Google tell me, put 50 to 50 ratio of Coca-Cola and water and dump it in it for 24 hours. So I asked, why Google, why only Coca-Cola? So Google answered, because it has phosphoric acid in it, which acts as a rust inhibitor. So our 24 hours has been passed. Now we will rub it with iron wool and after that we will rub it with sandpaper. So you can see because of Coca-Cola it's very easy to scratch the rust out of it. We'll be doing it for a while, so enjoy the process. So when I see rubbing is not working anymore, I thought just put it aside and look for something in Google. Because I don't believe in hard work, I believe in a smart work. So Google smartly suggested me to put baking soda all around it and let it rest for 2 hours. So I asked why Google, why baking soda this time? Google answered because baking soda is a type of salt which is sodium bicarbonate. When sodium cation and bicarbonate anion combine, they form baking soda, which is very useful for cleaning rust. So I said, okay Google, I get it, and get back to cleaning. Although it's not completely clean, but I was getting tired, a kind of getting bored. Because I started it at 1 p.m. and now it's 4 p.m. So here's me rinsing it with a dishwash soap for the very last time, so that no residue of the baking soda would be left on the pot. So here's the end result. Enjoy! Hope you enjoyed this cleaning time with me. For more such videos, kindly subscribe to the channel. Until then, take care.